Boom, 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 boom. What have we here? This looks like a brand new room. Guess what? It's even larger than the room I have. You know, I think I'll call this room the playroom. Hello there! Here. Oh, I'm just checking this room out. And who the heck are you supposed to be? Why, I am the hand puppet, because that is basically what I am. And you must be a keyboard. Oh yes, I am the keyboard. No doubt about it. You know something? What's that? I decided to call this room the playroom. Well, that seems like a clever name, but this is actually called the basement! The basement, huh? Yes, the basement! Ah! Oh, thanks for the invite, buddy. And it's a pleasure to meet you. No problem. Hey, TV.
Why, hello there. What brings you here?
Let me introduce myself. I am the hand puppet, because that's basically what I am. And that you must be the TV.
That's right. I am the basement TV.
You know something?
What's that?
You're kind of similar to the TV I have in my room.
That's true. Because it's all TV. Yeah, just look at me now. I won nice digital studio HD TV. Where you can be watched anytime you want.
Why, thank you, TV. Ooh. Gosh, it's kind of dark in here. All the way to turn the light. Oh. How about a nice game of hockey? Wait a second. The problem is no hockey stick. I wonder what I should do about it. Oh well. Hockey really isn't my favorite thing anyway. Say, piano. Yes! What is that? Can I play a song? Sure you can, buddy. Anytime. Thank you. Sounds like a good one. Yeah. All right. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I love this lovely orchestral song. It is splendid. All right. Oh yeah. That's it, baby. And stop. Thank you for that song. No problem. Anytime you want.